girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video. Today is a life admin day, or a loop day, if you will. The idea behind this day is that you stack up all the little tasks and annoying things, or things that just take up not so much brain power, but sometimes they take a lot of time. This is to get all of those tasks done. Combine them all in one day so that you can focus on them, get them accomplished, and move forward. This one is especially interesting because I'm wrapping up to go on a trip. We have to wrap up our home, we have to shut a few things down, we have to make sure all of my listings on Mercari are turned to inactive, I have to update my Etsy shop while I'm gonna be gone. There's a lot of different little things that need to get done, so I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go! That's it for this video, and until next time, stay hydrated, sis.